So that's my friend Mark.
How you doing?
He's our meteorologist for Scotland. Kamil is doing a weather briefing with him at the moment, trying to get his local expertise.
No pressure.
Yeah, high pressure.
We are going to fly the helicopter to Inverness Airport.
Okay, lovely. And then what are you going to help us with?
Hopefully, I'm going to help you with the weather. But we've got good conditions today, nice high pressure. That's been the case for quite a while now. So we should have good conditions for flying.
Yeah, we want to discuss with Mark today how the helicopter weather is getting affected by low cloud and visibility. And of course he helps out with the local forecast for us as well. So that's kind of nice. And it's a good local friend to have.
Yeah. Always good to have local knowledge, if you can call it that.
So Kamil is doing his pre-flight, all the safety checks. So we're doing the fuel drain check there, just draining out some fuel to make sure there's no moisture in
We're
it.
checking oil level, all the fluids levels. There are some cracks sometimes on this part, and that would be visible.
Yeah.
That's the most important.
Ready to fly?
Yes. Welcome on board.
Thank you.
How was your flight?
Yeah, perfect.
Welcome.